In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Docs effectively on your desktop. This feature is incredibly handy if you're looking to streamline your typing process or give your fingers a break from the keyboard. Whether you're drafting a document, jotting down notes, or composing a lengthy essay, voice typing can save you a lot of time. So let's jump right in and see how it works. First, you'll need to open Google Docs in Google Chrome. It's important to note that this feature is optimized for Chrome, so other web browsers might not support it as well. Once you're in Google Docs and have opened the document you want to work on, you'll need to navigate to the Tools menu in the top bar. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option for voice typing. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you'll notice a microphone icon appearing on the left side of your document. This icon is your gateway to hands-free typing. The very first time you use this feature, your browser may ask you to allow microphone access. This step is crucial because without granting access, the microphone won't be able to pick up your voice. If prompted, you'll want to click Allow to proceed. Now on to the fun part. Start speaking. As you dictate, you'll see your words transcribed in real time on the page. It's almost like magic seeing your spoken words appear as text. And don't worry if you speak a little fast or slow. Google's voice typing is quite good at keeping up with natural speech patterns. An important tip for enhancing your typing accuracy is to include punctuation commands as you speak. For instance, saying period or comma will insert those punctuation marks into your text, just as if you were typing them yourself. It helps keep your sentences clear and your document well structured, without any gaps or misunderstandings. Once you're finished dictating, or if you need a pause, you simply click the microphone icon again to stop recording. This will halt the transcription process and you can always click it again to resume when you're ready. It's as simple as that. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using voice typing in Google Docs. Voice typing is a fantastic tool that can enhance productivity and add a new layer of convenience to your routine. Whether you're used to hands-on typing or looking to try something new, this feature is a must-try. Thanks for watching and happy typing without the typing.